YouTubers? Got up this morning. It's a little rainy out there. I said this is a good opportunity to ride in some rain, get some practice in, see how the bike handles, and also try out this Harley suit. And we'll get into it and see how it fits. It's really not that cold out there, but it is a little rainy in Southern California this morning. I am going to ride to work. After work, I'll probably do one of my makeup runs, which will take me in one direction or the other. The material feels good. Normally I would just wear this. I wouldn't put it over no pants. I would just wear it with a thermal on, with the pants. Feels good, you guys. I wish I could, I didn't have the pants up under. I won't put on, it's not like I said, it's not even really cold out there. Maybe if I take this ride tonight after work, go up north a little bit, Fresno or something, then I might wear these gloves here and wear these socks. And I really like this jacket too. I like how they got this down finish right here. I don't know why it faces in, but it should be like this. So it comes with these, I like it. So this operates the socks and it operates the pants. This jacket, the top is the gloves, the bottom is the jacket. I figured I'd ride the bike today since it's raining out because it's good practice. Good practice to get an opportunity to ride in the rain. So that hooks up there. You have your control switch here. All right, feels pretty good. So you know over the top of this, I wear my FXRG pants and jacket. Okay, so that's it for putting it on. Feels real good. Feels like something you would wear just out. Even the pockets are kind of furry. Okay, so now we have the, everyone's familiar. You probably see me in this suit all the time. This is my go-to, man. This is my handy dandy FXRG. Now this goes over, this is my waterproof and all of that there. I like this suit because, you know, it goes over. If I have my boots on, I can still put the pan on. Controls out, plug out for the bike. Hey, Chippewa's a nice sturdy boot. So this is what I do to get ready to ride through any kind of weather. Once I get suited up like this, it's I'm ready to go. Everything is good, but I'm digging it. So, hey y'all, like my afro? I would let it grow out. I need to go get it trimmed. I think I'm gonna just trim it, edge it, and let it keep growing. I see my wife coming downstairs, so hear that, entry image center. So come say hi to my fans real quick. She on her way to work. Dr. Jackson, say hi to the fans, let me see.
Hi, fans.
All right, so anyway, I'm gonna take some kind of ride, do one of my makeup runs, so we'll have that on video. So thank you for watching. Again, we're gonna try this Harley suit out, see how it goes. I'm already sweating, because when you put this stuff on and you're not out there in the wind, it's a little too warm to have on. So I probably don't even need to plug it in this morning, but in the evening I might have to plug it in. So Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good morning. Have a great day. It's Wednesday. Hump day. All right.
Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Ooh, go, go. Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Ooh, yeah. I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. Left it to the bank like pedal to the floor, need no brake lights. In the dark, watch she make light. I'm a star, got no stage fright. Please don't get me mad, I'm a nice guy. My baby say I'm cute, yeah I'm type fine. I be waking up when you go night night. In a different zone, what's the time? Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Ooh, go, go. Left it to the bank like ha 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 ha. I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. I get it, I flip it and continue. I've been going dumb, I've been going mental. Going up, I'm on another level. All black clothes like a medal. Little this and this, little Ricky Rick. It's my grandmama, I'm her Nicky Nick. I just wanna love, but I've been hit or miss. I might up and leave, yeah, take a pic. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Go, go. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. Laugh it to the bank like pedal to the floor, need no brake lights. In the dark, watch she make light. I'm a star, got no stage fright.
I made it to the office. The suit worked fine. Like I said, it wasn't actually cold enough to measure heating qualities. I didn't even plug it up. But it was about 58 when I took off from home, and about the time I got to the office it was 60 degrees and I was sweating, and that was without it plugged in. I think overall this Harley suit is going to be a lot warmer suit. So like I say, we'll check it out, but just giving you a little short update on that right now. Only problem I have with it is the liner leg is not zippable, so you have to take off your whole boot just to take it off or on. The other liner is more or less like my FXRG suit. It's sitting over here, but it's more like that FXRG suit where you just zip the leg up and pop it right on and off, which is a good thing. Enjoy, have a great day.
For tips, motivation, or just inspiration, subscribe to my channel, PJ Ground Pounders. Let's get prepared and ride.